I don't know if you can do this when you run it. Now
Yeah.
we got the compressor off.
Yeah. So you want to talk about what happened here?
Yeah, so we got a dry, this is a sealed hub, steer axle. You can hear the bearing, it's worn out already.
And so just go back to the beginning. We had issues with, this is a Volvo with
Hendrickson axle.
Hendrickson axle, and the driver was complaining about shaking and just the tire wear. You could see it.
Yeah, we did the kingpins on that. Also, you know, right now we're hearing this noise on the wheel bearing. Unfortunately, on this hub, it's not serviceable. We have to replace the whole hub.
Yeah.
And it's easy to identify as a driver if you have that sealed hub or this is the cap. Normally, you would have a
Like a clear
hub cap,
yeah,
and
hub
you remove
cap.
this grommet right here, and you can check the oil level
Yeah,
right there.
yeah.
And these are easy to identify that you have a sealed hub. They are pretty expensive too. Since they're not serviceable, you have to buy the whole hub. So this is what a bad hub sounds like, and we'll compare it to the one on the other side. Look at that.
Yeah. Nothing.
So if we leave that like how it is, then we have a. This is really dangerous. It's gonna seize up the bearing. Then this is gonna lock up. You're gonna lose the steer wheel with the hub. Everything that's not good.
Yeah. No,
Yeah,
you
it's
definitely, with all the work we did, that we just have to put a new hub on it.
Yeah.
It's going to be expensive, but it needs to be swapped. But my question
it looks
is,
like the original hub. So I mean, what?
my
got
question
the
is for
mileage.
cost savings. Is it okay to swap one versus both
Swapping
sides?
both.
Mhm.
I might as well swap out both.
Yeah.
I mean, like we said, it's already what 06, 07?
Yeah, but like from our standpoint, like we'll do both.
Yeah.
But like as an owner, like I don't want to spend another $1,000 for that hub. Is it okay? Would it
As
be
long
okay?
as this side doesn't have any noise
Yeah.
or any play on it, then I would say you're good to go.
Yeah. Because we'll swap out both just to be done with it. And,
Yeah. This is the one that you bought How to Buy a Truck, right?
True. Yeah, that's the truck. That's the first major
Yeah.
thing we had, which is going to be year and a half already with this truck. So we're going through it, checking everything. I don't think there's any issues other than this. That's the,
No, that was
the only
that was
complaint.
that's the only complaint. Yeah. We had bad kingpins on it. Kingpins were done, and found the bad hub on there.
Okay. And we'll put new tires on it and send it out to work again. So this is definitely an expensive fix, but at the same time,
It definitely looks original. It doesn't
yeah,
look like it's been touched.
yeah, it hasn't. It's. I don't think it either. I don't think it was, but something that is quite expensive.
Yeah,
because
exactly.
Comparing to the.
I think the other hubs, I think you can get them with bearings, like loaded. They sell them with the hub. They sell you a brand new hub with bearings and wheels, so everything ready to go for like around $400.
Yeah.
These go up in like $1,000
Yeah.
bucks. You can get.
And it's just purely because of the design.
Yeah.
The way it's designed, it's a more expensive. Yeah. Okay, perfect. All right.
I don't know if we
What
got
else?
one right here that we can compare the one with the regular hubcap on there, just so.
Yeah. Yeah. Let's see the regular
Not
one.
80, right?
80 has one. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is the regular one.
This one is serviceable. You would just take this out and inspect your oil. Look at that, clean. So we don't have any shavings. So the bearings are good on this.
Yeah.
When the bearings are going out, you will see some silver oil, and you'll see some metal flakes in there.
Yeah. And it's so much easier just to, when you do a PM, just to check it.
Yeah. Or even as a pre-trip, you can just check it out yourself. It doesn't take much to check it.
Yeah. So that's your.
And a lot cheaper to service, so.
It is. Perfect. All right, there you go. That also helps when you're, not that buying a truck that's going to affect it, but at the same time,
That's something to think about.
it is at least something to think about, so you know what you're buying. That you are going to have potential more cost.
Yeah, not only that, but also on the Hendrickson axle, the kingpin isn't serviceable. Like you can't remove the kingpin, so the kingpin will wear out, and there's a point that you have to remove the whole axle and send it to a machine shop and get that pressed out. Compared to a regular axle, you knock the kingpin out.
Or buy a regular axle and swap it out.
Yeah.
Because if you're actually servicing that Hendrickson axle, that's just delaying later on additional more cost, because you might as well swap it.
Swap it, yeah. So it's something, it's something to think about when purchasing a truck too.
Yeah, awesome. All right, thank you guys for watching. Subscribe, share, and we'll talk to you soon.